morning, everyone. We're on the road again. We're heading towards Slab City. We're going to check it out, see what it's all about, and take you along. So, down the road we go. Okay, we're coming into Glamis here, which is part of the Imperial Sand Dunes, and these sand dunes run just all along the Imperial Valley here, all the way down into Mexico. So this is the upper part, like I said again, in Glamis. It looked like they were getting ready for a race or something like that. There was a lot of trailers out there, and they were getting their off-road buggies out, and there's a little bit of a traffic holdup because of construction. So here we are on the left side of the road. We're not in Japan, and this is what the sand dunes look like off to the left and straight ahead down there. The road was a little rough, and going down here on this side of the road anyway. I think that's what they were doing, was trying to fix the road. So anyway, this is Glamis, and we're on the way to Slab City. Okay guys, now we're pulling up on Slab City. It used to be an old, I think it was a Navy base until they destroyed all the buildings but left all the slabs, hence Slab City. And on the right there is the entrance where it used to be the guard shack for the base. So let's all go down the road and we'll take a look at what's in Slab City. Okay, the first thing you come up to when you come into Slab City is Salvation Mountain. Now, Salvation Mountain was built by Leonard Knight as an artwork, and the Folk Art Society of America declared it a folk art site worthy of preservation and protection. This is from Wikipedia, and the full article will be down, the link to it will be down in the comments below, so let's check it out. Okay, we just got to Slab City, and this is what we pulled up on. Pretty cool. I can't remember the story behind it, but I'll put it in the description below. I know that the guy that originally did this isn't alive anymore, and there's like a caretaker that kind of takes care of everything, because apparently, you know, he's painting new stuff here because he's got it marked as wet paint. And I don't know if you can hear it. We got some high-flying military jets in the area. Can't see them, they're way out there. Let's take a walk around, see what we find. Military are definitely doing their thing today. They're dropping bombs because I'm hearing stuff go off. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, this place is strange but amazing. We'll get it back in here. Please stay on the yellow brick road. It's all hay bales, covered with mud and paint.
does not look like it's very safe in there, so we'll stay out of there. Strange and amazing, all in the same sentence, I guess.
Slab City, I don't know, what do you say? It's billed as the last place where people can live free and do what they like. It seems to be a lot of artists there, and people that just, you know, have no place else to go. And it kind of does give them a good place to go. Like any city, be aware of where you are, what's going on, and your surroundings. Other than that, it seemed to be welcoming. There's a lot of free and open land around there that's still owned by the government, but it's not BLM land, so there's no restrictions on how long you can stay. Go there and enjoy yourself. It was interesting. It was interesting. Our next stop was outside Yuma, just off Interstate 8. It's west of Yuma. It's the Butterfield Sand Dunes, which is a continuation of the Imperial Valley Sand Dunes. And it's BLM land, and you can stay there. There's a camp host. The dunes are a lot bigger than they were farther up the valley, but these go all the way into Mexico. And it's pretty slick. You can now, from what I understand, you can fly a drone here with no restrictions. I'd be careful with all the wires and stuff. Now, I've also heard that there some of the other national parks and state parks are now allowing drones. If you get a permit, you have to, I think it's pay a $10 fee for the permit and be a registered FAA drone pilot. I've not experienced that. I've just heard that. So you want to check wherever you go first before you do that. But the Butterfield Sand Dunes is pretty slick. There's looks like a lot of traffic there on the weekend. Not too many people during the week that we were out there, but the wind was blowing pretty bad, so that's why I had to do this voiceover. You couldn't hear anything I said on the mic because of the wind. And I don't know if you can see it, but the sand was like, flowing through the sand dunes. It looked like, Lawrence of Arabia or something. So it was pretty cool. So it's outside of Yuma, west of Yuma, off of 8. You really need to get there if you go by there. Give it a stop and check it out. It's pretty slick. If you're on the weekend, it's going to be crowded, but it'd be more interesting because there's probably be a lot of people there in dune buggies and stuff. So enjoy yourself there, guys. And we're going to wrap up this video now. We went to a few places today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you can, and leave us a comment. So y'all take care as down the road we go.